Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body. It detoxifies, stores nutrients, and helps digest food. But with poor diet and lifestyle, it can become overloaded and lead to issues like fatty liver. Today, we're going to explore how to naturally reverse fatty liver with Barbara O'Neill's teachings and simple lifestyle changes. But before we dive in, if you're passionate about improving your health and wellness, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's take the first step toward a healthier liver and a healthier you. Barbara O'Neill explains that the liver performs over 500 functions daily. It filters toxins from the blood, processes nutrients from food, produces bile for digestion, and stores essential vitamins. A fatty liver occurs when it becomes overwhelmed, leading to fat accumulation in the liver cells. The good news? This condition is reversible with the right steps. She identifies poor dietary habits, such as excessive sugar and processed food consumption, as primary culprits. Sedentary lifestyles, alcohol overuse, and chronic stress can further burden the liver, making it harder for it to function optimally. A fatty liver often develops silently, but your body may be giving you subtle signals that something is wrong. Fatigue, bloating, and high cholesterol are just a few of the red flags. Let's explore these warning signs in detail, what's happening inside your body, and how you can take steps to reverse it. 1. Fatigue and low energy. Feeling tired all the time? That could be your liver struggling to process toxins and maintain energy levels. A fatty liver uses up more energy as it becomes inflamed, leaving you feeling sluggish and drained. Many people mistake this fatigue for everyday tiredness, but it's often an early sign that your liver needs help. 2. Bloating and digestive discomfort. The liver plays a crucial role in digestion, producing bile to break down fats. When it's overloaded, digestion slows down, leading to bloating, gas, and sometimes abdominal discomfort. You might notice a swollen belly or a feeling of heaviness after meals, even if you didn't eat much. 3. High cholesterol levels. Your liver regulates cholesterol levels, but a fatty liver struggles to maintain balance. As a result, bad cholesterol LDL levels may rise while good cholesterol HDL drops. Over time, this can increase your risk of heart disease, unexplained weight gain, or difficulty losing weight. A sluggish liver can affect your metabolism, making it harder to lose weight even with a healthy diet and exercise. Excess fat around the belly especially may indicate liver dysfunction. Skin and eye changes. When the liver is overwhelmed, toxins can build up in the bloodstream, leading to visible signs like yellowing of the skin or eyes, a condition called jaundice. You might also notice dark circles under your eyes, acne, or a dull complexion. Swelling in the body, edema, fluid retention, especially in the legs, ankles, or abdomen, can be another sign of liver stress. This happens because the liver's reduced function affects blood flow and fluid regulation. These warning signs may seem unrelated, but they're often linked to liver health. If you've been noticing any of these symptoms, it's your body's way of asking for help. The good news is that by taking simple steps to care for your liver, you can reverse fatty liver and reclaim your health. Now, let's dive into Barbara's ultimate foods and powerful hacks to naturally transform and reversing fatty liver. Leafy greens, rich in antioxidants and vitamins like A, C, and K. They reduce inflammation and support liver detoxification. Include spinach, kale, or Swiss chard in salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. 2. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful compound that enhances detox enzymes and reduces fat accumulation in the liver. Use crushed garlic in your meals daily for maximum benefit. 3. Citrus fruits, packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and limes protect liver cells and promote detoxification. Enjoy them fresh or as juices without added sugar. 4. Lemon detox water hydrates and supports liver detoxification with its high vitamin C content. Squeeze fresh lemon into warm water and drink daily, especially in the morning. 5. Dandelion root, a natural liver detoxifier that stimulates bile production. Barbara suggests steeping dried dandelion root in boiling water to make a tea, drinking it daily to support liver health. 6. Milk thistle, renowned for its silymarin content, which repairs and protects liver cells. Barbara recommends using milk thistle powder, Add it to smoothies, teas, or sprinkle over meals. 7. Healthy fats and hydration. Incorporate healthy fats, like those from avocados, nuts, and seeds, while ensuring you stay hydrated with plenty of water throughout the day. 8. Lifestyle changes. Avoid stress. Engage in regular physical activity, and ensure you get adequate rest to support liver regeneration and repair. By following these steps and staying consistent, you can create the perfect environment for your liver to thrive and naturally heal itself. Barbara O'Neill's teachings inspire us to trust in nature's power to restore balance and health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing tips and natural remedies. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.